Hello friends, welcome to back new PayPal earning application. First time open application and sign up now. Sign up method 2 option. Select your Facebook and select your Google account. Sign up. Okay, I am select Facebook account. Continue as just loading now. This application games play earning no invitation. Okay, unlimited earning spin. Click now. One spin 5 coins, 2 spin 5 coins, unlimited spin and unlimited earning. This setting icon, click now and paste your referral code. Use my referral code 200 coins free. Okay, my friend referral code redeem option on. Okay, redeem option, click now. Minimum 3 USD and 5 USD, high payment 200 USD dollars. Okay, all one day active this account. While click now, unlimited offer complete and earning best applications. Okay, and games play earning, games play click and game play and earning PayPal cash. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.